So it's quite a heavy frost up on the terrace this morning, and we've got a helicopter. It's coming to move the air just to stir it up a bit, and it just raises it above freezing. So it's 6 AM now, still quite dark on the actual vineyard, but the mountains in the background, the Pisa Range, is just starting to light up. And that's where all this cold air is coming from this freshly fallen snow up there. And I don't know if you'll see it in this video, but there's a light there shining. When it's red, which it is now, it's just on 0. When it flashes red, it's below 0. When the helicopter comes, it stirs the air up and it goes white very quickly. White means it's above 0. So the helicopter does do a lot of good. As you can see, the sun's just rising now. Once it hits the vineyard, the temperature will rise extremely rapidly. So the sun's on the vineyard now. The temperature's risen rapidly. The helicopters have pulled out, headed back to Wanaka, and that's Alpine Helicopters, Nick and Toby Wallace and his crew. Hopefully it's been a successful morning keeping the frost from the plants.